In this particular video, I'll show you how we can do the email automation using n8n workflow. So let me first of all send the email and I'll show you. I'll be sending this email to info@syncpix.com and I will say here guest post inquiry. Please provide me details for guest post. And I will just make this workflow inactive right now. So I will just send this email. So here I'll just show you once I get the email. Here you can see I got the email here. This is new email in inbox. I will not be reading this email. I will go back to the workflow and I'll test this workflow now. The moment I test this workflow, it will read the email, and then if it is classified, you can see here it has sent the email and finally it has added this to the Bravo. Now I'll show you what has happened if I go back to the email right now. If I refresh this again, you will see here the email which I have received. It is now replied by AI. You can see here that AI has replied to it. And if I go back to my email, so this is the email which I have received based on this workflow. Now how this workflow works, I will explain you step by step.
Do you know that only 10% of my viewers actually subscribe to this channel? That means 90% watch but never hit that subscribe button. I'm sure that you are not one of them. Subscribing takes just a second and it really helps support this channel. Liking, commenting and sharing also helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is valuable. If you have already subscribed, liked and shared, thank you. If not, pause this video right now and hit that subscribe button, like and drop a comment. It makes a huge difference. Now let's continue.
So what was first step here? That email trigger will check the email every hour. And then if the email is an existing contract, so I will not be executing that through the workflow. I will be definitely processing that through a different way. Then is reply. If the subject is containing RE in the beginning, then it will not reply. So in text classifier, I have defined 3 services which I am offering: guest post, YouTube and Udemy courses. So based on this, I have classified here if the inquiry is about the collaboration on the guest post, so you have to classify in that way. If the inquiry is about adding the review video on our YouTube channel, or if the inquiry is about training and courses, so it will be accordingly classifying it. And as we send this email, it was related to guest post, so we have connected here the text classifier as a node. With this classifier node, we have added model, which is Gemini. You can of course use OpenAI, DeepSeek or Cloud, whichever AI model is available to you. Here you can see the classifier. We have added 3 categories here, which is guest post, YouTube or Udemy. So for every type of the classification, we have added the email template here. So for YouTube video inquiry, there is a different email template added. Courses, we have added different one. So these are 3 different email templates which are created. And here when the email came related to the guest post, so this particular node executed, and you can see here that I have SMTP configuration here. Based on the SMTP configuration, email will be going from this. In fact, you can use, instead of SMTP, you can also use the Gmail node here, which will send the email. But because I don't want to send from the Gmail, I want to send from my SMTP server, so I'm using SMTP server for this purpose. And then you can see here that once the email is received, of course it will be sending from here, and to whom the email will be sent, it will be sent to the name and the email address. So in that format, you can see here this is the name, this is the email address, and here you can see reply will be RE and then the subject, whatever subject the email came from. And then here this is a detailed HTML. I will be sharing this with you so you can edit this of course for your own services that you offer. And once at this stage the email is sent and then the email is marked red. Why it will mark the email red? Because I don't want to send this email again. The email was marked as red, and at the same time once the reply is sent, then it will be the tag will be added here. So I'll show you that also. So all of that will be marked as red here. How it is done? So you will be adding a node from Gmail which will be message, and the operation will be marked as red. And what will be marked as red? Here is the Gmail item JSON ID. So you will be going down here to Gmail trigger and choose the ID of that. And finally, it will be adding the label here to that particular email ID. So you can see here the same email ID. So label is added as replied by AI. So I have added this label directly into a Gmail account. You can see here replied by AI is added. Finally, that label is applied over here. And as I have Bravo, if you want to know what is Bravo, I have provided a detail of that also. So Bravo is the email marketing platform, and whenever any new email ID is coming here, so it is getting added to my Bravo account as well. You can see here create or update contact, and that contact is added as an address, and you can see here it is successfully added once the email has come from the new email ID. So this is the simple workflow that will help you to do the email automation. Depending upon the inquiry type, it will be sending the email reply. So you can have different kind of products and services that you are offering. For each and every product and service, you can have the separate classifier added here, and based on that classification you can add multiple nodes here. So this is simple and easy process to do the automation of your Gmail. Of course, Gmail is added as a node. You can use Outlook also as a node, or you can use IMAP also as a node. So this was all about automating the emails using n8n and AI. So let's continue to next video now.